1, 2, 3, let's go!
Good morning everyone! So I'm sorry for the messy hair. Sa school ko na lang yan i-fix. So today, I'm going to make a review of the product that I've been using since November. Yeah, since November. Dapat sana 1 month. I-review ko na siya. But then, you know, masyadong naging busy. Kaya, ito ngayon ko pa lang siya i-review. So this is my face early in the morning. Ayan. O, diba? Without makeup. So, ang nilagay ko lang is the serum and the sunblock. Di pa ako nakakapag-makeup, so sa school na lang ako mag-makeup. So yung makeup pala na sinasabi ko is not a makeup na makeup talaga. Ano lang yan, kilay, lipstick, and then konting tint. Wala na akong mga foundation or anything. Yun lang talaga, yung sunblock. Good noon guys, so time check is 5 minutes before 12. And this is my face right now. Ayan, may pimple pala ako. See? So, hi guys, it's already 6:20 in the evening and kumain lang ako ng snacks ko at ito na nga, nag-video na. Ito na pala yung face ko. Kanina nagbiyahe ako ng motor for 1 hour. Papunta at pabalik na yun. And ito pa yung face ko hanggang ngayon. Hi everyone! Happy New Year! And I hope that you have started the year 2022 with positive vibes. Okay, so welcome to my channel. If you're still new to my channel, by the way, my name is Miss Jess, and for today's video we are going to make a product review that is made in Thailand. Okay. Actually, itong product na to is matagal na sa market. It's just that ngayon ko lang siya tinry, and since I tried it, of course I'm going to share it to you. Okay, so the product that we are going to review today, or we are going to talk about today, is the the Dr. Yanhi set. But we are going to talk about specifically on the green set kasi ito yung ginamit ko. Okay, we're going to talk about the product information, some of its specific ingredients, and its claim. And then another one is I'm also going to guide you on how are you going to use it properly. And then the last one, of course, I'm going to share my product impression and of course my review. So I used this product for 3 months already up until now. So I think that's really enough for me to share my experience of this product. Okay, but before anything else, disclaimer muna tayo. So in every product that I am using or I will be using, this may work for you, vice versa. This may not work for you or may work for you. Let's start right away and talk about the Dr. Yanhi set. But before that, where does the Dr. Yanhi set came from? Okay, so the Dr. Yanhi set has been tested and distributed by Yanhi International Hospital, which is also an ISO and FDA approved, as well as a leading cosmetic and aesthetic hospital here in Thailand. Okay, so the Dr. Yanhi, according to my research, is formulated with a seaweed extract. At the same time, it also has an Algae Miracle glutathione formula. Then, it also contains an antibacterial properties that treats acne. So, diba? Maganda din siya for acne. Actually, this green set is specifically formulated for those who have acne problems. So, since I already told you about some of the specific ingredient of the product, let's take a look of what is seaweed para mas maintindihan natin the benefits of the green set or the Dr. Yanhi set. Ano ba ang mga i-expect natin sa product na to pag ginamit natin? We all know that seaweed has a vitamin E, which is very good for hydrating the skin, right? Another one, a seaweed also has an amino acid which will help your skin plumps up, giving you a youthful looking skin. O, diba? And another one, the seaweed has an antioxidant ingredient which will also help your skin clear the hyperpigmentation. So it may not be instant, but gradually as you keep on using the product, then you would really see a noticeable effect. Diba? So if we are going to take a look on the specific properties of a seaweed, then we would be able to understand how this green set will work for us. So, ayun na nga. I hope I have given you some information about seaweed so that we would be able to understand more the Dr. Yanhi green set. Now, let's go ahead and start using it kasi hindi pa ako nakapaglagay sa mukha ko. I'm going to show you the texture of each product that I am going to use. So, how are we going to use the Dr. Yanhi set? First thing, during the day, all you need to do is to use the soap, of course, maghilamos, and then the serum. This is one night serum, but I'm also using this one in the morning based on the instruction that I searched in Facebook and some accounts in Thai. Then, tinranslate ko lang kung paano siya gamitin. The sunblock. So, the sunblock or the day cream with SPF 50. Malalaman nyo naman siya kasi may nakalagay siya ditong SPF 50. So, pwede nyo siyang lagyan, label nyo siya as 3 para alam nyo na agad kung ano yung gagamitin nyo in the morning. Hindi na kayo mag-open pa. So, that's all that you need to use in the morning. Ayan, ganyan. Pakunti. Ganyan. I'm done. Now, since we're already done with the product information, some of its ingredients, and then steps on how are you going to use it. So let's now proceed with my impression and my final review of the product. So, isang mabilisang product impression, and then let's proceed to the product review. So, for the soap, look at this soap. So, hindi niyo yan naiintindihan. But then, this is by Dr. Yanhi R&D Center Life. Hindi nyo din yan na. So, this is a typical soap, Kojic soap. Now, I have here, let's have a comparison. This is a Fairy Skin Kojic soap, and this is the Dr. Yanhi soap. Almost half siya talaga. Maliit lang siya, diba? Typical soap. Mild lang din yung smell niya kung ayaw nyo yung masyadong may smell. Ayan, ang ginagawa ko, kinakat ko siya twice or thrice, but this time half. Let's proceed with the serum. Marami-raming serum na din yung nagamit ko. Actually, I have used like 5 sets already of this product since ginamit ko siya starting November up until now. No, mid of October pala. Mid of October until now. So, 3 months na talaga siya. So, this is the serum. Ang liit niya at saka ang konti niya. Ayan. Tapos, morning and evening ko pa, morning and night ko pa siya ginagamit. Kaya, ayan. Minsan nauubos siya. And then, the aloe vera serum, the smell is like a paste. Alam niyo yun yung mga batang 90s, alam natin yan. Alam niyo yung tagpipisong paste na binibili natin sa kantin. Yung parang para siyang kanin. Ganon. Alam niyo yung smell nun? Ayan. So this product reminds me of the paste that we are using before. Yun yung smell niya. And then, konti lang siya, ganon. Now, for the collagen cream naman, ito siya. Ito yung parang translucent na transparent. Unang gamit ko, parang siya, parang greasy. But then, later on, hindi pala. Ganon. Parang bang naninibago lang siguro ako sa product. Now, mabango siya. Now, here's the trick of this collagen cream. Unang lagay mo sa mukha, mabango siya, but then when you are going to rub it and then spread it to your face, alam mo yung, hindi sa dinidiscourage ko kayo, but the smell is like yung parang labahin mo na stay mo for a day or 2. Parang ganun siya. Ewan ko lang kung ano yun para sa iba, but yun yung nasi-smell ko. But then, okay pa rin naman yung product. Hindi ko na siya minamind, parang nasanay na lang din ako. Ayun. And then for the green set naman, for the green cream, or let's say the seaweed cream, ayan. Ito siya. Mild lang yung ano niya. Mild lang yung smell niya. Wala akong masyadong comment dito. But remember, based on the research that we did, this one has the seaweed extract. So, more sa mga effectiveness ng product is nandito. Ayan. Sorry kung pa ganun-ganun ako kasi wala akong table dito. Nilalagay ko lang siya sa lap ko. Now, let's proceed to my whole impression of the product. Number one, mura lang siya. Yes. Mura lang siya. Hindi lang ako familiar kung magkano siya dyan sa Pinas. But then here, nabibili ko lang siya for 120 per set. So, binibili ko siya sa kaibigan ko. If you want to order, pwede din kayo mag-order sa kanya. Nagpapadala siya ng box. Ako nagpapadala din naman ako ng box sa Pinas. Pero hindi ako nagbebenta nito. But maybe sooner or later, depende kung may mag-order sa akin sa area ko. Kasi yung area ng kaibigan ko is Luzon. Yung sa Bataan, ganun. Taga-Bataan sila. Ako naman, sa Negros ako. Okay? So, ayun na nga. Nilagay ko talaga, diba? Sinulat ko talaga sa... So, yun. Mura siya. And then the box. Yung box niya is parang parang yung medicine kit. Kasi may plush. Ito siya. Ayan. Yung box niya. Meron siyang instruction. Hindi ako sure kung ito yung instruction. Parang, basta yun na yun. Nakalimutan ko, but tinanslate ko naman to before. And, nakalagay din dito yung expiration date niya. Meron siyang card dito. Pero never mind kasi hindi naman naiintindihan. Another impression ko sa product na to is that konti lang yung laman niya. So, papakita ko sa inyo, di ba ito yung lalagyan? Let's have number 3. Number 1. Okay, di ba ito yung lalagyan niya? Akala ko kasi hanggang sa ilalim siya. Pero, hindi pala. Ito siya. Pag naubos nyo na, ganito lang siya. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya karami. Or kakonti. Ayan. Ganito siya. Pero hanggang dito lang pala yan. So, ayun na nga. Konti lang siya. So, naglalast siya sa akin. Depende. Kasi, yung sunblock, mas madaling maubos. Yung collagen cream at saka yung seaweed cream, matagal-tagal. Marami-rami pa ako dito. Ang unang naubos sa akin is yung serum at saka yung sunblock. Naglalast siya for 3 weeks. Ganon. 3 to 4 weeks. While yung collagen naman at saka yung seaweed, tumatagal naman siya ng 1 month. Depende sa amount ng ginagamit mo. So, ganun ka lang. Pakonti-konti lang. Huwag mong i-attach. Okay, aside from that is that the container of this product is not really that durable. Papakita ko sa inyo yung pinakaunang container na ginamit ko. So, look at this one. Ayan. Ganito siya, nasisira siya. Ayan. Kahit hindi ito nahulog, bigla na lang na ngayon walang may nahulog. Ito yung unang product, ito yung unang set na ginamit ko. Kaya nilagyan ko siya ng 1, 2, tapos ito, 3 yung sunblock, tapos sira na siya. Ayan. Diba? Pangit na siya tingnan. Ito, wala na yung print dito. Ayan, ito si number 2, bus na. Ayan, nakailang ulit ako dito. Huwag tayo masyadong maging nega dito Doon naman tayo sa mga advantages ng product. So, ba't siya tumagal ng 3 months sa akin at hanggang ngayon umu-order pa din ako? Now, share ko lang sa inyo, minsan kasi, pag gumagamit tayo dito or pag gumagamit tayo ng products, akala natin, pag nagkaka-pimples tayo, ay, hindi ako hiyang dyan. Ganun talaga agad yung mindset natin. But then, minsan, we just need to trust the process. Actually, first 2 weeks ko nito, I don't like it. Ganon. First 2 weeks ko nito kasi nagsilabasan yung mga pimples ko and then, I'm not seeing any improvement on the first 2 weeks. Like, ano ba to? Effective ba tong product na to? But then, I keep reminding myself, since gumagamit naman ako ng mga rejuve set, ng iba-ibang set na mga product, to always trust the process. Kasi minsan kasi, yung mga na-clog pimples natin dyan na hindi lumalabas, pag gumagamit tayo ng product, nilalabas na yung mga pimples. So, yun yung nangyari sa akin during my first 2 weeks of the product. Okay, by the way guys, as long as hindi ka lang nagkaka-allergy, that's fine. But if may allergic reaction na, of course, that's a different story. Okay? That's why it's always advised, in-advise talaga yan, na mag-patch test talaga bago kayo gumamit ng product. Kahit anong product, mag-patch test kayo. So, sa paggamit ko ng product, as time goes by, nawala naman yung pimples ko. And then, what I like about this one is, simula nang gumamit ako, every time na nagkaka-pimple ako, it's still normal ha. Hindi ibig sabihin na gumamit ka ng product na to, hindi ka na magkaka-pimples. Magkaka-pimples pa din tayo kasi diba, tayong mga babae meron tayong period. Tapos pag parating na yung period natin, lumalabas talaga yung pakonti-konting pimples natin. But what I like about this one, based on its claim, diba, meron siyang antibacterial properties and anti-inflammatory properties which came from the seaweed extract. Masasabi kong na achieve na yung claim na yon. Kasi every time na nagkaka-pimple ako, hindi na siya yung tipong nag-i-inflame na namumula, tapos may ilang days pa siya bago mawala. For example, ngayon na-feel ko, okay, para magkaka-pimple ako bukas ha. Tapos lalabas yan. Okay, may example ako sa inyo, ito. Ito, ayan. Ito lang nag-iisang pimple ko. By the way guys, this is not a pimple, that's pimple mark. Okay, pimple mark yan, pimple mark ito. Wala akong pimple, except nito. Kahapon, sabi ko sa sarili ko na, okay, may palabas akong pimple, tapos magre-review ako ng product. And then, kanina nga umaga, medyo naglabas siya konti. And then, right now, alam kong pa-heal na siya kasi wala na eh. O, diba? Hindi siya yung tipong namumula talaga na, alam mo yung parang kamatis. Ganon. So, hindi siya ganon. Nai-heal niya agad. Siguro dahil nga din sa antibacterial properties niya. Yun nga, sabi ko. Kaya masasabi kong the seaweed extract is taking its action in the product. Now, another one is that no peeling in the process. So, walang masakit kang mafe-feel on the process of using this product, which is good. And then, since it has an Algae, what do you call that one? Algae Miracle Glutathione formula, as time goes by, nawawhiten niya yung skin mo, yung face mo, at saka nag-glow na din siya. So, bakit sabing nag-glow na siya? Kasi, it's not me who said that. It's my co-teachers, yung mga Thai teachers na nakapansin, oh, teacher, maganda na yung mukha mo, ganon. So, syempre, thank you tayo. Tapos sinasabi ko din naman sa kanila, it's a Thailand product. It's your product that I am using. Diba? Ganon. So, guys, maganda talaga siyang pang maintenance. Okay? So, kung bibili naman lang kayo, kung magta-try naman lang kayo, huwag nyo nang tipirin. Parang, at least, magbili kayo ng 2 sets, ganon, para yung first 2 weeks nyo, in case na hindi agad humiyang, may may span pa kayo na i-continue yung product at mas makita yung effect. Kasi tayo minsan gusto natin yung effect andyan agad-agad. But hindi. Okay? So, that's it guys. This is my face right now. And I'm still using the product. Ngayon, umorder ako sa kaibigan ko ng 3 sets. Diba? Pero this time, umorder ako ng pink set at saka ng blue set para mabigyan din natin ng product review yung yun na set. Yun na set. Ganon. Kasi as far as I know, yung blue is for melasma. May mga specific may mga specific formula siya na para sa specific concerns din. Ganon. So guys, I hope I was able to help you somehow with the information that I have given to you. Again guys, what I am sharing to you is based only on my personal experience, okay? So, walang makeup yan. Kaya nga kita nyo talaga kung ano yung mukha ko without makeup. Hindi naman talaga din ako naglalagay ng makeup. Thank you very much for watching the video until the end. If you like this video, please do click the like button. And if you want to know more about Miss Jet's vlog, then you can also click the subscribe button and isali mo na din yung notification button. So, that's it for today. I hope I was able to help you somehow. Once again, this is Miss Jets. Have a good day everyone. Rise and shine!